So I'm going to show you how to add a meeting to your calendar. So you go to calendar, pick a date, pick the 15th. You want title, meeting, reminder, blah, blah, task. You want to do anything there. So what you want to do is add a time. We'll just pick 6:30 for the sake of it. All day. You want to add somebody, you do it here at add guest. Add Google video conference, and then when you're ready to join, you just do that. Press join the meeting. Repeat, and then you want to put it weekly on a Tuesday, or it's gonna be at the same time every week on that Tuesday. Click that. Already did it, but like I said, when you're ready to join, you just press there. Save, and then you'll see every Tuesday it'll be there. So if you go to October, it's gonna be there.